Hi guys! In this video, you're gonna learn how to fix a slow computer. Well, a slow PC can be frustrating and can make even the most basic tasks take longer than they should. So here's are some steps or tips you can make to fix your computer and make it fast. First, free up disk space. As you may use your computer, it can accumulate a lot of temporary files, unused application, and other data that can take up valuable space on your hard drive. You can free up this space by uninstalling any application you don't use, deleting temporary files, and cleaning your browser cache. So to do that, you can uninstall your program using Google or Control Panel, then click Programs and Features, and uninstall any programs that you don't use. So here you just click uninstall a program, then choose a program that you don't use anymore, like example SAMP or XAMPP. So choose it and right click and click uninstall or change to uninstall those files or program. You can delete unnecessary files. Use a built-in disk cleanup tools in Windows to delete temporary files, old system files, and other unnecessary files that are taking up space. So just search on your startup the built-in disk cleanup. And then activate it by clicking clean up system files. And then OK or click OK. You can also remove malware. Malware can be common cause of a slow computer. So malware is a malicious software that can damage or interfere with the normal operation of your computer. To remove it, you should run a full scan with your antivirus software. If you don't have a antivirus software installed, you can download and install one for free. For example, you can buy Avast, ABG, or Malware Bytes or Norton antivirus. Next, you can update your operating system. Updates can improve the performance of your computer, as they often include bug fixes and perform improvements. To update your operating system, go to the setting menu and check for updates. And make sure to install all available updates including any security patches. So to do that, open your startup and then search for check for updates and update your computer. If your computer requesting to start or restart your uh, computer so it will be update, just do it. And if the update requires download and install, so do it to make your PC more fast. You can you can also disable startup programs. Some programs are set to start automatically when your PC boots up. This can slow your computer, especially if you have a lot of programs set to start this way. So you can disable these programs by opening Task Manager and then clicking on the Start tab and disabling any programs you don't need. So example, here you can see now the Task Manager and you can disable those programs by clicking the Startup tab. Also, you can go to your Start Windows and search Startup Apps and disable those application. You can also use defragment your hard drive. Over time, your hard drive can become fragmented, which can slow down your computer. So defragment your hard drive, and you can use the built-in Windows disk defragment tools like you can see now on this video. So click Analyze or Optimize to optimize your drives. You can also adjust visual effects. Some of the visual effects in Windows can be resource intensive and can slow down your computer. So, to adjust these settings, all you have to do is go to your control panel. So, go to your control panel by searching control panel, and then in here click system and security, and then click system. Next, from the advanced system settings, you can search advanced system settings. And in here, from the performance option, you can just click settings. And from let Windows choose what best for my computer, just change the option and go to adjust for best performance. And then apply, click apply and click OK. Last, you can upgrade your hardware. If your computer is still slow after trying the above steps, you may need to upgrade your hardware. The most common upgrades are increasing your RAM, replacing your hardware with a solid state drive or SSD, or upgrading your CPU. These upgrades can significantly improve your computer performance, but they can be costly. So that's how to fix slow computer. On your tips, I hope that your computer will be fast more enough than recently. If you like this video, please click the subscribe button and click the bell icon to notify you to our next tutorial.